Welcome to Beautyistic, where we make beauty and wellness our top priority. Have you ever struggled to find a toothbrush that's compact, effective, and travel-friendly, yet still delivers that fresh, clean feeling all day long? If so, you're in the right place today. We're reviewing the Pop Sonic Electric Toothbrush in this gorgeous purple hue, a travel-friendly option designed for both kids and adults. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a review. Let's jump right in. Now let's take a look at the Pop Sonic Electric Toothbrush. This sleek, battery-operated toothbrush is designed to offer maximum convenience and performance for everyday use. Standing at just 7 inches tall, it's the perfect size for both adults and kids. The toothbrush comes with a sleek snap-on cap, making it incredibly travel-friendly and easy to store without worrying about the brush head getting dirty. It's designed to work for everyone over the age of 8, so it's a versatile tool for the whole family. One of the key features of this toothbrush is the 2-speed setting. With options ranging from 15,000 to 30,000 strokes per minute, you can choose a gentler, more sensitive cleaning experience or a more powerful one, depending on your needs. The Dupont nylon bristles are another highlight. Soft enough for your gums, but strong enough to reach those hard-to-clean spots, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Now, how does it actually feel in real life? I had the chance to test the Pop Sonic Electric Toothbrush in my routine, and I have to say, it's surprisingly effective for such a compact design. The 2-speed settings allow you to tailor your brushing experience, and the vibrations feel gentle but powerful, making sure your teeth feel extra clean and fresh. I've also used it during travel, and the size and cap make it incredibly convenient to pack. The built-in 2-minute timer with quadrant pacer is a nice touch, ensuring that you're brushing for the optimal amount of time and giving you a little reminder to move to the next quadrant of your mouth. But as with any product, there are pros and cons. On the positive side, the toothbrush is compact, easy to use, and highly effective. The bristles are soft but sturdy, and the motor is powerful enough for a solid clean. The battery life is efficient, and the toothbrush is lightweight, making it an excellent travel companion. On the downside, the vibration at the 15,000 stroke setting might feel a bit too soft for some, particularly if you prefer a stronger clean. Also, while the brush is great for travel, the lack of rechargeable capabilities means you'll be relying on batteries, which could be inconvenient for those looking for a more sustainable option. So what about value for money? Given the price point, this toothbrush offers solid features: compact design, good bristle quality, and a strong cleaning performance without breaking the bank. While it's not the most high-tech toothbrush out there, it definitely does the job well and is a great choice for anyone in need of a reliable, travel-friendly toothbrush. Comparing this to other similar products on the market, the Pop Sonic stands out for its simplicity and affordability. It doesn't have the high-end features of some more expensive electric toothbrushes, like pressure sensors or Bluetooth connectivity, but it delivers the basics really well and does it without all the extra frills, which could be a plus for someone looking for something straightforward. The build quality feels solid, and while it's made with plastic materials, it's built to last for a good amount of time. The brush head is easy to replace, and the overall design is streamlined and lightweight, making it great for everyday use or when you're on the go. As for customer service, I didn't have any direct interactions with Pop Sonic's support, but the brand has a reputation for being responsive and offering a 1-year quality assurance, which is reassuring. If you're looking for a similar option at a more affordable price, there are alternatives like the Oral-B Pro Health or the Colgate 360 that also offer great performance without being overly expensive. These may be worth considering if you're looking for something that offers a bit more. But for a straightforward electric toothbrush, Pop Sonic holds its ground. So what's the final verdict on the Pop Sonic Electric Toothbrush? I think it's a great option for anyone who's looking for a reliable, travel-friendly toothbrush that gets the job done without all the extras. It's best for those who want a compact, effective toothbrush for daily use, especially for kids and adults alike. It's simple, affordable, and delivers a clean feeling every time you use it. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in the Pop Sonic Electric Toothbrush, you can find the link to purchase in the description box or the comments. And if you've tried this toothbrush or have any thoughts, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.